Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's lesson, I will introduce a new technique that I often use with my students to improve their fluency: shadowing. Let me explain what shadowing is first. Shadowing is more than simply and passively consuming French content, TV series, or music. It involves active engagement in your learning process. If you watch my videos or take in my classes, you know that I can't emphasize enough the importance of active learning. Anyway, shadowing, it's about listening to native speakers and repeating what you hear. I noticed significant improvement in students who use this technique. They become more attentive to French sounds and pronunciation, learning how to imitate specific sounds and intonations. For instance, French people often say je suis instead of je suis, or je sais pas instead of je ne sais pas. So with this technique, my students become aware of the differences in the fast-spoken French. So now let me explain how to shadow in 3 simple ways. First, you have to select quality audio, meaning that you have to choose content with clear and natural speech. Second, repeat aloud. So you have to listen and repeat sentences as you go. Third, increase difficulty. Gradually challenge yourself with more complex material. So that's it. That's all about shadowing. I'm leaving you a list of content in the description to practice. So please let me know in the comments if you tried it or if you have any questions. Merci et à la prochaine.